Morning everybody. No Kazy is at work, and I'm on my way to see a man about a dog. No, I'm not. No. Tess, the motorhome's going to have an upgrade today, hopefully. Solar panel from 150 to 325, and we're going to have two gel batteries, 120 AH each. So that gives us 240 AH. So yeah, should give it a bit more power for off grid. Don't know how much of that we're going to do, but thought I'd have it done so we could get some solar when we're abroad. Got a lot planned this year, you see. So I don't know how much of it I'm going to be able to film, but we'll see. I'll catch you later. So that's the old one, which is 150, and we're having 410 watt to replace it. Old solar panel is over there, leaning up against the truck, now off the roof. And now we've peeled all the brackets off, and James says that we've got to go over all these little blemishes with some super glue, just to seal the if there's any cracks or anything where we've peeled the old brackets off. So we've just put the solar panel on and lined all these fixings, corners and straight pieces for the solar panel, which is here. That's upside down at the moment because we've got to do the connections on there so we can connect it to the wires over there. And this is a 410 watt solar panel, so a lot of solar. Shouldn't need any more anyway. So yeah, that's all been fixed down with the sealant, proper sealant. Lovely day for it, nice dry day. So I'll have a good bond in there. And James has made up, if you notice there's a little step there, we've made it up with silicone. We're not putting any fixings in that one there, but we've got fixings in the centre one over there, and one fixing in all of the ones on the back of the these I don't know what these are called, these locators. So he can just use silicone, but he wasn't happy with it. He wanted to put screws in. He wants a bit extra security and safety. So James who's from Camper Workshop, he's just having 15 minutes with having a sandwich for dinner. I didn't bring any lunch today because I didn't know that I was going to be here all day, but he's happy for me to film it for the YouTube, so that's good. So yeah, we've got the solar panel fixed now. That's done. We're finished on the roof. So that's all done. So we've just got the batteries to fit underneath the passenger seat and connect it up. Class A batteries gone in, 120 AH each. I think that's what he said anyway. So the batteries are connected now. So now we've just got to connect this now. The MPPT. Ooh, what a day! Hello everybody. No Kazy. Kazy's at work. Just going to finish this video off. Obviously you'll have seen during the video that we've upgraded Tess. We've had 410 watt solar panel on the roof. Took the 150 watt solar panel off. But we also took the leisure battery out, which was just a single, turned out to be a 100 AH battery, and we've put two 110 AH gel batteries, which were the brand was Extreme. I've never heard of Extreme, but it's a class A battery apparently, so we should be all right on that score now, so well pleased with that. We've got a trip coming up at the end of Easter, the end of this month, a trip to Bath, so we'll give this a van a little run for its money. So yeah, so that's, I hope you found it useful. I'll have put the logo, and I've told you the name of the guy who did it, James, lovely fella. His company's been going 8 years, and he's in his 30s, and good luck to the fella. He's a nice chap, very busy. I think he's booked till June at the moment, so he's obviously doing a good job if he's been going 8 years, and I helped him lifting this panel on and off, and watching what he was up to and that. And he didn't mind me watching, because I know sometimes I certainly, when I fit signs, get a little bit agitated. Well, not agitated, but you don't like people looking over your shoulder, do you? And I did say, if I'm in the way, just tell me to go away and I'll leave you to it. But everything was honky-dory, and I think he appreciated me helping hands, particularly with that blooming panel, because it's a big panel just for one person, even if you are only 33. So but anyway, so you won't see us the next vlog. Like I say, we'll be back, so I'll don't know whether that'll be one complete vlog, because we're going for 4 nights, or whether I'll split it into, depends what we get up to, because we'll keep the vlogs around 20 minutes if we can, but I don't want you to miss anything either. So that's it. I'll see ya. Bye. See ya.